Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use your browser as the websites won't open on Hotwav Note 12. And to do this, here I have my Google Chrome, and let's try to open any website. So this didn't work, YouTube as well. And now to fix this, we'll need to close the Google Chrome, go to our settings, then scroll down to the system, enter date and time, and enable set time automatically. If we open our Google Chrome back and try to continue browsing on the YouTube, now it should work fine. And the same as with the first website that welcomed us on the Google Chrome. And here it is, also works great. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.